Hello everyone and welcome to an update on Allotment Diaries. Thank you very much if you watched the last edition of Ordinary England, the Allotment Diaries, the early March. We're now late March, 28th of March actually, and this is probably the last nice day. Look, the blossoms have come out. The last nice day of sunny, dry weather for the foreseeable future. It seems like it's going to get a lot colder and perhaps a little wetter, so I just came down here for a little time to the allotment just to well, try and get as much done as I can before it does get cold. So what's happened, thanks for watching by the way, the last episode and all the other episodes as well. Please keep tuned in. So what has happened since then? Well, here we have a shed. Yes, the shed is back, and you can see we have a lovely, beautiful little table. Thank you, Jay, for that. Much appreciated. And well, there you are. There it is, up again. How long it's going to stay up, I don't know really. We're going to find out. It needs a little bit more support, shall we say. There you go. Doesn't that look nice? And this bit here is the flower bed now. So I've changed things around a little bit. So that is the flower bed. The wildflowers, it goes all the way out there. And hopefully, well, we might do a bit more if we have time. Just depends on time and things as a butterfly heads away. So yes, the shed is back up, looking splendid-ish. Let's hope. And then if we come around this way, that bed's completely finished now. Onions and salad leaves are already popping through, so here's hoping that the weather that's due will hopefully not kill it off. So we'll just move around. Then I decided to put this here, so that's going to be a little herb garden. There's some garlic chives in there now, so let's hope they survive. If not, we'll just have to replant them, won't we? And there's some radish in there as well. Down here, I need to really label them up. I suppose you should label them up, shouldn't you? So there's going to be the radish that's gone in. That's all dug over. I'll probably put some more radish and maybe some leeks or something. This is the potato one. Now this one was the original first plot that we dug out, and I'm about halfway through. I'm going to finish there today, but that is that's going to be the potatoes. But we do that at Easter. Apparently that's what you do. Good Friday. Hopefully, maybe we will come here and follow the tradition of planting your spuds over Easter, which is about middle of April this year. And then that's where, I don't know if you can see that. There we go. That's where the horseradish is. And then I've just got to dig out that little bit there. And then we're pretty much done. We've also strimmed, but it looks like it's going to need another strim again in a couple of minutes. Yeah, we'll keep on top of that over the next few, because obviously if the rains come in, it's going to start growing pretty quickly. So there we go. I'll give you an overhead view. And the back view. It's up. I'm very pleased, but it's still not properly secure. So yes, that's it. That is the end of, that's our second March. It's lovely to see the butterflies, by the way. Oh, it's a peacock one, I think. Beautiful. So it's lovely to see them out. Is that early? Maybe it is. But that's the joys of spring. And I say, there's the cherry blossom, or the blossom on that tree. A little bit. There's a few around there, and there's some lovely ones over there actually. And also we are under the flight path. I'm not going to do. There's an EasyJet Airbus flying over. No, I'm not Big Jet TV, but I wish I had been that. But there you go. We'll do that another day, shall we? So yes, thank you very much. That is March Allotment Diaries Part 2. Check it out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Please give us a like, a follow. Head over to our other sites for other bits and pieces. buymeacoffee.com. I have my Spooky Tree G, as it's called, and all on the websites as well. So please go and have a look at them. And thank you very much for giving this a watch. And we will be back very soon with another edition of Allotment Diaries and Ordinary England. We need to do some of them. I'm going to be up in London very soon, so I'm going to do one then. Take care.